If you're in a situation whereby when you post your vlogs, they don't get views or they don't get returning viewers, and once you look at other creators in your niche, they're always amassing views, but it is not the same for you. I know how you feel, and I'm going to share with you tips on how you can improve on that and the reason why you are experiencing this. One of the reasons why your vlogs don't get views or you don't get returning viewers on your vlogs is because you are not being personal when you are talking to your audience. Vlogs are meant to be personal, so there is no reason why you should be filming your vlogs and you're addressing them as you guys or you all. Okay, your viewer needs to be connected to you. They need to feel like they are the only one watching this and you have them in mind when filming the vlog. Okay, so you should address them as you and not you all or you guys. So it should be more of a personal thing. Your audience should be able to resonate and relate with you in a personal level. They should be like, oh, I can relate to this kind of thing, and not you talking as though you are referring to a massive audience. So your vlog should be more personal than you are talking to a majority of audience. So it should be on a personal level and not on a mass level. So this might be the reason why you're not getting views, because you are not relating to your audience in a personal level. And when a viewer clicks into your vlogs and they always see you say you guys, they will feel like, oh, this place is not for me. Probably I can't relate to this particular thing that this person is sharing, so I might just have to click out. But when you make it relatable, when you are talking to your viewer as though it is only one person, as though it is you and them alone, they are going to relate more to your vlog and they will not click out. And this is how you get more views and returning viewers. Okay. So the second reason why your vlogs are not getting any views, or why you might be lacking in views, is because you are talking more than you are showing. Vlogs are physical representations, so you don't have to talk too much. What you're saying in your vlogs are meant to be shown. Actually, you don't have to talk too much more than you're showing. Okay, so you have to show more physical footage in your vlogs more than you talk. Okay, like for instance, when you go to the market, you have to show your audience or your viewer what an actual market looks like, because they might want to see what an actual market looks like. Instead of you talking and saying that, okay, I went to the market to buy this thing, without showing them what an actual market is, it might make the viewer lose interest in your vlogs and they might never return to watch you again. So your vlogs are meant to be visual representation. That means you have to show more than you actually talk in your vlogs. Okay, so you have to show them more footages than you say some things in your vlog. Another reason why your vlogs don't get views is because you are not adding storytelling skills to your vlogs. Vlogs are actually entertainment, but they require you to be more like a storyteller when you're scripting or when you're filming your vlogs. Okay, vlogs also need you to script them just like other content. It doesn't mean that you should just start filming vlogs. You need to have a structure for it. So you need a writing skill to be able to give out a very well balanced vlogs. Okay, so for you to actually film a vlog, you need to have a structure, plan things before you start filming. Even if you want to go to the market in the morning, so you should have a structure how you're going to start your vlogs for the day. If you're going to wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, you should have a structure, the normal procedure on how you're going to film that particular vlog and how it's going to end. Make your viewer feel like they are watching a movie or they are seeing a movie. Make them feel like, oh, this thing is very interesting, I need to follow up, I need to watch to the end. Don't just film your vlogs or just pack many footages in your vlogs without having a structure. Another reason why you might not be getting views on your vlogs might be because you lack brand aesthetic. You know, vlogs are visual representations, so you need to have your own style, something that maybe once someone sees it, they can be attracted to view your content and stick with you. But vlogs are something that if someone doesn't fall in love with your content, they are not going to watch you and they're not going to stick with you. So you need to have your own style, your own brand aesthetic that people can easily see and be like, oh, I love how this person presents their own stuff. I like how they are doing their things. This might be the reason why you're not getting views or getting returning viewers on your vlogs. Okay, you know, vlogs are something that if it doesn't meet my attention, if it doesn't catch my eye, I'm not going to click on it and I'm not going to watch and stick to that particular person. For instance, I love vlogs a lot, and this is actually what I do mostly when I'm on YouTube. For me to view any vlog, I must first of all be attracted to that particular content. So that means that your thumbnail should be aesthetically pleasing so that people can easily find it interesting to click on your videos. And this is what makes people to stick to you and stick to your channel. Okay, so your brand should actually stand out. Make people want to fall in love with your content because it deals with personality. Vlogs actually deals with personality. So people need to fall in love with you before they can actually stick with you. So this might be the reason why you're not getting views or getting returning subscribers. So try and fix this in your vlogs. Another reason why your vlogs are lacking in views is because you don't add stories or morals to your vlogs. I know that vlogs are meant to be entertaining and they are meant to entertain people, but in as much as it is entertainment, it also have to be educative. You have to make your vlogs more educative, and you should infuse some morals in it when you're filming it, okay? And you should have things that your audience can actually say, okay, I've learned something, or maybe I'm going to improve on these areas in my own life, okay? So you should have morals, infuse morals when you're filming your vlogs. It should not just be bad, it should not just be mainly entertainment. You should have something that your audience can pick. Okay, that is the reason why you have to structure it and script it in a way that it is balanced and it follows a due process. You shouldn't just set camera and start filming a vlog because it is vlog and anything can just go. You should have a plan, and you should have a structured plan for that matter. And also, you should keep practicing and be consistent, because once you keep being consistent, the algorithm is going to push your content further to more people. And once you keep practicing, the more you're going to learn more stuff on how to improve on your vlogs, and this is how you can get and amass viewers. Okay, so just keep doing it and see how your channel is going to turn around, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye and good luck.